Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have an unboxing here, an exciting unboxing here. Yes, indeed, from the Intaglio Mint. Been looking forward to this. They were releasing some very cool pieces indeed. So we will go about this in a safe manner and actually cut away from ourselves for once. Indeed, to unbox the contents therein. Let's take a look at this. I like how they package this in these little secure pieces here. We have the impending paperwork here that I'll look at off camera to ensure the order is as was stated. This is my second order with Intaglio Mint, and just super pleased with their products indeed and the quality. And this is a new release that they had just came out with, and so I figured let's go ahead and pick some of these up. A pair of these, 4 ounces total from the Intaglio Mint. Look at that. They have a new kind of card with the thing there. Look at that. Very cool. And there it is. Nice. Let's take a look at the certificate of authenticity first. It just has looks like just some contact information here. Nothing specific to this coin. Guaranteed authentic from the Intaglio Mint. It is. Wow. Look at that. It is a copy. It's a high relief copy of the $10 Indian, or Lady Liberty with the Indian headdress, gold $10 coin in silver, 2 ounces. Very, very nice indeed. This is a metal turned design, and just a spectacularly done, exceptional quality, great detail, and it has sort of a smooth matte finish to it. But what I really like about Intaglio Mint is is not only is their designs nice and sharp, you know, their fonts and their text is as well. Very easy to read, nice crisp text, just absolutely incredible, very well done. So this is mimicking the 1910D 2 troy ounce silver. Very, very nice indeed. And it says it's high relief, but I'm not really seeing the relief really jump out at us as I expected. Maybe I misread the description on the website incorrectly. It doesn't matter, because even as such, it is very well done and exceptionally sculpted for this round. Beautiful indeed. Now, the fascinating thing about this is it does have the denomination $10 there. And I don't know. I'm kind of curious to see if that's allowed. You know, I guess there's others. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look at some other generic rounds and see, because it's obviously not a $10 gold piece. It's silver. It's much larger. But boy, the detail is just fascinating. So that's the first one. Very well packaged in non-PVC flips. I wish they sold capsules there. They don't sell capsules at Intaglio Mint's website, but here's a second one. Absolutely stunning. Let's pull that out here. Beautiful design indeed. They've also updated their Mercury dime, the Winged Liberty. They've actually done a resculpt of the obverse of it. I've not ordered one because I thought the previous one looked just fine, but there are some minor details. But it just goes to show you that they're trying to perfect their designs to better emulate the previous ones. And this is probably the best, most accurate representation of the $10 Liberty that I've ever seen. Maybe even more detail than the original. It's just exceptional. Very well done on this particular piece. So I'm happy to own 2 of these. That's 4 ounces of silver to the stack. Beautiful. Very well done. I'll take a look at them a little further back here. 4 ounces of silver. 2 high relief, or even if they're regular relief, but definitely double thick PA4 style silver there. Added to the collection. Beautiful indeed. Post your thoughts below. What do you think of this particular round? We'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.